We are in front of the building where the ZINC is, and we are actually presenting here more cool stuff that we have at ZINC. Audi sends his automobile here, you can see behind me. And I'm not going to talk what this car can. I'm going to let the professionals talk about that. Here with me is...
I'm Milos Stankovic. I'm session chair of technological demos and the ZINC conference.
And?
I am Ahmed Elberry and I work for TTTech as customer support. Yeah.
So, the main questions, what is behind me? Who is going to answer?
I think, yes, actually this is the new Audi A7. This is one of the state-of-the-art cars on the market now. And actually Audi is depending on RTRK and TTTech to bring the traffic jam pilot to life with the state-of-the-art ZFAS. The ZFAS is actually the, as in German, Central Fahrassistenzsystem or the Central Driver Assistance System. The ZFAS itself actually consists of several software layers and several security measures and so on. But and actually it is for the first time it will allow level 3 pilot driving on the roads. Yes.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff. So Milos, can you tell us the RTRK's role in all of this?
So RTRK role, starting from the very beginning of the project, was in all the aspects of the project. So we were supporting this project with our embedded engineers for the software development, platform software development, also validation and verification, and a lot more stuff around the project. So RTRK provided more than 100 engineers who supported the project.
So basically, it's all impressive, and okay, I'm an engineer, so I can understand those things, but just in case we have the audience that is like, this is Overham, can we get a demonstration of what this car can do?
Yes, of course. Maybe you can demonstrate the pilot driving, actually the pilot parking. The pilot driving unfortunately cannot be presented here in this area, but at least we can present the pilot parking also through the mobile phone.
Okay, so we need the volunteers. Since we have audience here, anyone wants to be in the car? Some courageous people are coming.
Yes.
Let's see, because we had actually a lot of discussion lately that people are not really trusting the technology and that self-driving cars will have lots of trouble to get the public support. So, who is going to start the car?
So I will now demonstrate how to...
Sorry, you
yeah.
have to repeat?
I will now demonstrate how the car will park itself through the mobile phone. That it's like normally you are searching for a parking lot and you find one, the car will actually automatically find the parking lot for you and tells you, okay, this is a suitable place. You press a button either while you are sitting inside, then it will completely park it on its own. Or if it is a really narrow place and you don't want to be in a hassle of getting outside of the car, you can just step outside, use your mobile phone to park it for you. Yes.
That's something that I need. The parking, it's always spells trouble for me. So maybe you should take the microphone and explain what you're doing. And since this is a demonstration that is under some restrictions, we cannot really record everything, but we can record outside. We can see, you can tell us if they can actually have a zoom up on something. For example, can we actually see what's on the monitor of the phone?
Yes, of course, you can see that. Unfortunately, the car from inside is still a prototype, so it's not still for the public to see. But from outside, it's completely fine because it was anyway released. So I will show you at least the app, how it sparks, and you can shoot it from outside.